In today's video, I'm going to teach you about GoHighLevel versus HubSpot, giving you a full comparison of these two powerful platforms. Let's start by diving into what GoHighLevel offers. Known as HighLevel, this platform is essentially an all-in-one marketing solution, specifically designed for marketing agencies or business owners eager to consolidate their tools into one cohesive system. It brings together sales funnels, websites, landing pages, social media management, marketing automation, and much more. This integration helps you generate leads, nurture relationships, and close sales with greater efficiency. GoHighLevel really helps you to simplify, enhance, automate, and streamline your entire marketing workflow along with multi-channel marketing campaigns. Switching gears to HubSpot, it's another major player in the scene, acting as an inbound marketing, sales, and customer service management system. HubSpot caters to a wide variety of business sizes and types with its extensive suite of business tools. Not only does it include CRM, but it also covers content marketing, social media marketing, customer service, SEO tools, and more. One of the standout features of HubSpot is its user-friendly interface coupled with a very impressive free plan. You will also find that HubSpot offers extensive and seamless integration options with third-party tools, which can add even more value to your operations. Now, both of these platforms are designed to streamline marketing efforts and boost customer management. However, they don't cater to exactly the same needs. Their core offerings diverge slightly, which makes them suitable for different business requirements. Let's break down some of the main differences between these two platforms. Both advertise themselves as all-in-one solutions, offering dynamic sales, marketing, and CRM features, but there's more to the story. HubSpot is particularly geared toward teams seeking a comprehensive CRM solution. On the other hand, GoHighLevel is more focused on enhancing sales and marketing efforts, making it a go-to choice for marketing agencies. Another key difference lies in their pricing structures. GoHighLevel offers 3 straightforward paid plans. These plans bring a full suite of services at a single monthly flat rate, offering simplicity when planning your budget. In contrast, HubSpot divides its offerings into 5 distinct hubs, allowing businesses to choose services according to their needs. This means HubSpot also shines with its impressive free plan, giving access to free marketing, sales, service, and content tools, whereas GoHighLevel is strictly focused on premium paid plans. When it comes to the scope of suitable businesses, HubSpot is flexible enough to cater to individuals up to large enterprises, offering scalability as your business grows. Conversely, GoHighLevel caters predominantly to marketing agencies and professionals, fitting neatly into that niche. In conclusion, while both GoHighLevel and HubSpot offer powerful features and benefits, the choice between them largely depends on your specific business needs and objectives. By understanding what each platform excels at, you can make an informed decision to streamline and enhance your marketing efforts effectively.